Hello, welcome to my channel. So I'm pretty sure you already know what we're gonna be doing here. I got this bad boy for Christmas. I haven't even opened it up yet, but I'm really excited. I'm gonna try to make a shirt, a little top today. We'll see. I'm also gonna be watching a video while I make it because I have no idea what I'm doing with this. 'Cause, yeah, I'm usually crochet. I never did anything like knit stuff, so yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'll leave the video that I'm watching linked down below, so if my shirt turns out good, go ahead and watch it. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I just got it open. I'm gonna show you what mine came with. Came with some yarn already, and this looks kind of thick. Like, I don't know. Well, these look a little bit thinner, and then these look kind of thick. And I heard that you're not supposed to use like thick yarn with it because it like messes up the something about it. Oh man. And then there's this. I'm gonna have to put it together. Well, I'm gonna go watch a video on how to put this together and then I'll be back. Okay, so I have it all set up and ready to go. I have my yarn here. Hopefully this isn't too thick, but I'm basically gonna do like a time lapse of me, you know, going around and around. But yeah. Also, is it there's some, okay, there it is. I know there's supposed to be a white thingy that I sewed up. And it's right there. So we're all good. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all a little update. This is how it looks so far. I did mess up. I have this little area right here that was at the very beginning. And so I don't know what I'm gonna do right there yet, but here it is. Got the ball left. I gotta make another like panel. Actually, I have like 3 more panels to make for the sleeves plus another side of the shirt. So yeah, just a little update though. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all where we're at. Here's one side of the shirt, another side, and a sleeve. I just have one more sleeve to go. Okay, so I am finally done with the shirt. I did mess up a little bit, but I'm just gonna show y'all the front of it, the back. I think I did pretty good for my first one, but you know, there are some spots I messed up on, like the side area. But it did give me some ideas for some future videos. So if you're interested in seeing that, leave a comment down below. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, bye.